Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and I hope you all are safe and good. So, thank you everyone for the love you have shared for the last two videos of sharing resources for the placements. So, I am back with some new resource, which is again some adding resources which will be on placements only. So, these resources also will help you out in your placement journey. So I hope you use these resources and crack your dream job, right? So without wasting time, I'll be starting from the very first GitHub repo, that is renail slash new grad 2024. So if you're new grad applying for like jobs in 2024, this is the GitHub repo for you. So they have what all they have added. So these are table of contents. So resources of interview guide, and they have clicked. If I click on interview guide, this is the interview guide. So you can learn about the interview guide and use this interview guide. Then neetcode.io for cracking interview, like all the courses on algorithm, system design, and Python, other topics they have added, right? So learn about these topics like full stack development, all these topics. So you can use this. Then Bigo complexity cheat sheet. Okay. Then OA, and for OA and interviews, you can click and like learn about these things from here. So then quant question. Okay. Uh, for quant questions, right? So if you are applying for any quant role, right? So for that, this website will be really really helpful, and you can of course use this GitHub repo for like quant also. So this GitHub repo is offering for people who are applying for quant also, right? So that's a very good thing. And the probability and markets guide by Jane Street. So like Jane Street is a very famous company in quant roles. So if you are someone for into quant roles also, you can apply with the last two links, right? Then for international students, h1.data info. What is this all about? So it is salary info. So international students, if you are confused about salary and things, you can learn about this. And then uh, mm, for verification, so all those things for international students, they have added these platforms which will be helpful for you if you are like getting to job in US or any other country, right? Then they have this Discord server also. Then these jobs, right? Which is the company name, what is the location, what the roles they are offering, when this job is added, right? All these things they have added, right? If any citizenship or visa required or not. Then see, in parental visa is required. Then other things, sponsorship is will be okay. So you'll get the idea, right? What is the roles these companies are hiring, which is the location, all those things they have added, right? So if you can use this GitHub repo for your job search, right? So this is all about this, right? I mean, these are the companies and all these things I have explained, right? So just explore this GitHub repo and other helpful resources also. If I click on helpful resources, these are the helpful resources they have added, right? Okay, I guess you get the idea of this GitHub repo, right? So do explore this GitHub repo and make use of this, right? So moving forward to the next GitHub repo, that is Nira slash Fang again. Competitive programming questions are asked in Fang. So for algo expert, for algorithms, specifically for algorithms, is the like resources they have added for Coursera. Coursera, like resources, dynamic program. Then other questions which are mostly asked in in algorithms they have listed. Then for algorithm expert, then blind 75, that is a lead code. Then data structure for database, top Amazon questions, top Facebook questions which are mostly asked. If I click, these are the most top questions. These are coded in Java, but of course, if you get the logic, you can code on your own language, right? Then other important links, all questions which are important in lead code, and according to their frequency they have added. So you can practice accordingly which are mostly asked, which are mostly not, and you can, if you have less time, you can practice accordingly. So I'm not clicking on everything because I think it's your job to click and like get these resources and practice all these resources they have provided, so that you can crack your own dream job, right? Moving forward to the next GitHub repo, Predictor slash 2024 takeaway. So again, if you in 2024 2025 pass out, like looking to crack online assessment, so for cracking that, all the resources they have added, right? So for Amazon, what is the way question mostly they ask, and you can practice that from there. So these are the question mostly Amazon asks. So if you are applying for Amazon to crack their OA, you can practice accordingly these questions, and you can get the common and crack accordingly, right? So then I guess they have added Amazon only. Okay, no issues. For Stripe also they have, these are the questions which mostly Stripe asks in ways, so you can practice accordingly and crack the way, right? And get into interviews. And interviews is all about yourself, like do your best and you can crack the interview also, right? So Google, then TikTok, then Snowflake and other companies. So it's all about cracking the way. So practice these questions which are mostly asked in these companies, and any question will be common or some related questions, so that will be helpful for you to crack the way and like uh, crack the interview also, and of course, get to these companies, right? So do use this GitHub repo. Okay, moving forward to the next one, that is real Abbas slash big companies interview questions. Again, big companies which interview questions which are asked in big companies and startups, they are listed. So these are the companies: Snapdeal, Google, Samsung, Paytm, Acodelight, MakeMyTree, Flipkart, Visa, Yahoo. And accordingly, if I click any company, see Amdocs. Okay, so these are the listed thing which are mostly in Amdocs. Like if I click on Amdocs interview questions, and they have listed resources from that, like anything like from GitHub or YouTube video or anything, right? So all these resources, mostly if I click on this is the like Geek for Geeks article. Right. Anyways, so yeah, similarly for if I have SAP Labs. Okay, these are the resources for SAP Labs. So specific to any company. Okay, all the big interview questions they have listed, and like they have listed the resources, and you can get the interview questions from here, right? Mm, from SAP Labs interview question FT Compass. These are the Git for Geeks links, so you get the idea, right? No need to explain much. So just like if you're targeting a specific company, go to that company, prepare accordingly for whatever resources they have asked, like the interview questions mostly is that company asks, and prepare accordingly and crack the that company. Or you can in general look at the every company and prepare accordingly, you can get to any company listed here, right? So get make use of this GitHub repo. This is very much useful. So it will really help you out a lot, right? So moving forward to the next GitHub repo, that is Job ream slash lead code company wise problems. Again, nothing to repeat. Again, particularly to that company, they have added some lead code questions. Okay, and that's all about the GitHub repo. Okay, in general, to be honest, fair enough. Okay, I will not spend a lot of time on this because it's straightforward, right? You will get the idea what is the GitHub repo is all about, right? So, if I click, it's taking time. It is PDF, of course. I don't know why it is taking time. It's unable to render. No issues. Just click on any other company, uh, like Alibaba. Okay. Okay. These are the questions which Alibaba asks. Practice this, and you can able to crack Alibaba. To be honest. Okay. These are the lead code question, of course, and no need to worry. You have like via Alibaba. Just click on any other company. Baidu. Okay. If I click on Baidu, um, these are the interview question. These are the lead code questions mostly by the works, and they have also numbered it. So no need to worry. Like search, and you will not get. No need to worry about that. You can just click. You can just search his number, and you can get the question and practice, and you can connect the specific company, right? So very straightforward. Practice these GitHub repo, like questions listed in this GitHub repo, and you will very much job ready to get a specific company. So best of luck for that, right? Moving forward to the next GitHub repo, Marinsky hacker rank practice. So if you are specifically practicing in hacker rank, right? So this GitHub repo is for you, right? So all the algorithms, all the questions that are present are mostly, or like a lot of companies conduct their coding way, like operate online assessment through HackerRank, right? So if you practice HackerRank questions, then it will be helpful for you, right? So for algorithms, if I click warm up, so all the questions in warm up in algorithms they have added for searching also, right? Um, Similarly, for interview preparation in CPP or Python or data structures, and they have listed only arrays only, but of course, then 10 days of statistics that are present in Hacker. So everything that is present in Hacker, they have listed. Okay, so you can get the solution if you're practicing on Hacker, you can get a solution from here, and it will be really helpful for you. So make use of this if you're using HackerRank, right? Then artificial intelligence and statistics, something I guess present in HackerRank, I don't know, but you can practice from here also, right? Then of course Python, SQL, whatever present in HackerRank, all the solutions they have listed here. So you get the idea, right? All those things, whatever present in HackerRank, you get the idea. You can get the solutions from here, practice, learn, and of course it will be helpful for you to build your problem solving skills, right? So moving to the next GitHub repo, that is inside of drop slash dropbox interview preparation. So if you're someone specifically preparing for dropbox, right? So whatever the questions are they have asked, or the other resources they have listed, all those things specific to dropbox they have listed, right? So system design messaging queue. Okay, if I click, so these are the messaging queue, like maybe system design questions that asked in dropbox. Then this is a link. If I click, this is opening something. So these are questions which are mostly asked in Dropbox. So that is on site. They have a lot of people have added, so you can get the idea what the questions Dropbox asks, right? And there is a backup link also. Okay, so you can click accordingly. Similarly, behavioral questions I have asked what are the Dropbox questions, and coding questions have added this image also. Okay, to understand make you understand this question. Okay, so there is a binary heap, I guess, and there is a solution also. If I click on solution, they are listed the specific solution also. No need to worry about that. Okay. Then other coding questions, which are mostly asked in Dropbox till now. Okay, so the some are randomly asked or some are present in lead code also. So I guess there these are 15 questions I have added. So you can specifically prepared about for Dropbox from this GitHub repo. So best of luck for that, and yeah, crack Dropbox. Moving forward to the next GitHub repo, that is Sudhir J JavaScript interview question. So if you are someone who is into JavaScript, right? You code with JavaScript. So of course, if you mentioned your language as JavaScript, so some questions will be asked in JavaScript, right? So the most of the interview questions which are mostly asked in JavaScript, they have added. Okay, so they have added, right? You can click on anything. Okay, if I click, this is the solution, of course, right? So it's a very big GitHub repo, right? So you get the idea, right? Mm, these are the questions, right? Then if you take these JavaScript projects, so they have added JavaScript projects also, right? 20 projects to build your portfolio if you are starting with JavaScript, right? Then coding interview boot camp. Okay, so it's again for data structure and algorithms. And if you learn JavaScript, you can code in JavaScript also, and you can learn make use of this website also to prepare fully, right, for the job, right? And advanced JavaScript course is also there, right? You can make use of these links, whatever they have added, right? Then is JavaScript interview question with solutions from Fang Plus companies, and for that they have added this website for like interview questions which are mostly asked in JavaScript, and what is the solution, right? Like mostly in whatever say JavaScript coding questions, right? Whatever mostly questions asked, you can prepare from this website, right? So very interview. Then front end interview. If you are particularly practicing for front end, right? Just wait a minute. It will taking a bit of time to load. So I guess I don't know why it's not loading. Just a bit of time. Yeah. So for front end, they have added this thing. So this is a very also good website to practice for web development people, right? So I will not dig much because it will take a lot of time, and the video will be a bit longer, right? Which you guys don't want. But anyways, I guess you get the idea, right? Then other Java algorithms like ECMAScript and other topics related to JavaScript, you can explore this GitHub repo, spend some time, click in every links they have added, dig much as possible, and just boom in your JavaScript career, crack your next job in the JavaScript, right? So that's what all I can say. Moving forward to the next GitHub repo, that is Anuradha Dev slash quant prepper. So it is specifically for the quant preparation. So if you're someone who is applying for quant roles, right? So these GitHub will really help you out, right? So these are the books they have added to prepare. Then mental math, some puzzles or problems which are asked, then other things, some related stuff they have added. So I'm not familiar with this quant domain. But anyways, if you're someone who is preparing for quant, these resources will really help you out. That's what my job is to to introduce you to the resources. So make use of this GitHub repo if you're someone in the quant, right? So moving forward to the next GitHub repo, Karthik slash interview preparation. So again, he was someone for interview preparation. This GitHub repo will really help you out. Okay, so backend developer interview questions, C++ interview questions, carrier interview questions, Sun interview questions. So Sun is the company itself. So Dropbox interview questions, front-end developer interview questions, MATLAB, JavaScript, Java interview questions. So everything you will find, right? No need to worry. You just click and you can get all the resources. Just explore a bit of time and learn all the things they have listed, and you'll be interview ready for the all those things. And of course, you can crack the interview and you will get the job, right? So operating systems questions. So of course, people in the beta final year looking for placements, so operating systems, then other things they have like asked in the company. So you can prepare from here: JavaScript, MATLAB, MathWorks interview questions if you're specifically targeting for MathWorks. Then treat visa, web developer interview questions. Or web developer is a widely used domain nowadays. So if you're a web developer and looking for like jobs in web development, so you should prepare this question. So if you click, so these are the questions, right? You get the idea, right? I will not dig much because it's your job, right? But I guess you got the idea, right? What this giveaway is all about, right? So spend some time, learn about the things, whatever the resources they have shared, and crack your next job, right? So that's all about this video. I hope you have enjoyed the video till now. And if you have if you're watching till now, thanks a lot for the like watching till now. Okay, and if you are someone who is preparing for placement, so do make use of these resources I have shared. Okay, and if you are someone like got job from the resources I have shared, so of course tell in the comments. It will be really happy for me that I am able to help someone with my videos. So do subscribe the channel, give a thumbs up, like the video, and with your fellow people. And that's all about this video. I will be ending this video, and have a great day. Bye.